Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be extremely different. In today's video I wanted to talk with you about the situation in Armenia. For those who are following me for a while, you probably already know I live in Armenia, and for everyone else who is new to my channel, I live in Armenia, and right now in Armenia is a war. Armenia is fighting against one of our neighbors, and they are attacking Armenia for a month now, along with other people. Basically, Armenia is a small country with a population of 3 million people. We are Christian, and we are only 3 million in Armenia, and we are being attacked by 100 million Muslims along with terrorists, and we are still fighting and we are still winning. But I just really wanted to talk with you today how important it is to support our country, support our soldiers. And this video is mostly for my fellow Armenians. I love you and thank you for all the support for my channel, for my videos, for my passion and everything. But today I really wanted to mention how important it is for us to be unit, to be to try to be strong, to work and try to support and help our country and our soldiers. Because for the current 1 month, every single day I'm waking up with the same feelings. I am stressed, you know. Probably you can really understand what I'm talking about. And literally I'm not able to eat, I'm not able to sleep, I'm not able to do anything. And it's been a month already, and I'm not able to like look at all these pictures of this soldiers. They're only 18 years old, and I'm literally like stressed and shocked in the same time how someone can kill this innocent like 18 years old kids. Because it's not only really like shocking, but it's also really disappointing, and I don't know how to explain, but I think you understand what I'm talking about. This video is mostly for my fellow Armenians, but if you want to support, you can do. If you're not, for my non-Armenian friends, if you want to support, you can support, because we are not only fighting against you know, to protect our country and to protect our lives, but also we are fighting against terrorism. And if you want to really support, please make your research what is happening right now in Armenia, and you can see more in depth what is happening between Armenia and our enemies, because it's really I don't know how to explain, but it's really unbelievable how things like that can happen today. And I'm really shocked, and I really hope this is going to end really fast, because I'm not able to wake up with the same like scared like feeling, and with the hope that this is going to be the end of this war, and innocent people are dying, and innocent people are being involved in this disgusting war, which was provoked by our enemies. And yes, probably you can do your research if you're not Armenian, or if you follow like any Armenian celebrities or not Armenian celebrities or celebrities. A lot of people mentioned that they are really supporting Armenia, and you can check about everything. And today's video and today's message is really important because I'm making this video for everyone who really wants to support Armenia, and I'm going to link the website of One Armenia. It's a really amazing way to donate and support. Why? Because right now One Armenia is going to make matching. Basically, when you're donating $1, they are going to donate $2 to the Armenian fund. Basically, if you're donating $5, they're going to donate $10. This is why I really want you to support. It doesn't matter how much you are donating. There is no like small amount that's not going to help. If everything, like every single dollar is going to help right now to our soldiers for everything they need, for the food, for the clothing, for everything. And it's really important right now to donate. It doesn't matter how much you can donate. $5, $10, if you can more, it's amazing. But don't forget to donate. The link will be in the description. As I said, it's going to be One Armenia, and every like $10 is going to be doubled, and it's going to be $20. If you're donating $100, it's going to be $200, because One Armenia is going to donate double the price you are donating to the Armenian fund. And this is why I'm going to link the website of One Armenia. You can donate to this website because this is amazing. They're going to donate all the money to our country, to our soldiers, and for all the innocent people that are being affected by this war. And I really wanted to let you know that I really love every single of you, and it makes me really proud to see how amazing and united is our country and my nation, my fellow Armenians. And it's amazing to see you everywhere. We really appreciate you, and like all the Armenians in France, in United States, in like Europe, in literally everywhere. Everything you do is really appreciated. We see you, and it's really appreciated. I love you, and don't forget to donate, because right now the only thing we have to do is to work, to keep donating, to keep supporting, because it's really important. And yes guys, I really love you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I see you in my next video. Bye.